This cat walked into an ice cream shop and ordered a double scoop vanilla cone. The moment the server handed it over, the ice cream literally exploded into hundreds of tiny dancing tacos. I'm talking full choreography, sombreros, the works. This cat didn't even hesitate, grabbed the biggest taco, started riding it like a skateboard through the shop, doing this little cha-cha dance move while surfing on a taco. The other customers were screaming. There's guacamole flying everywhere. Mariachi music started playing out of nowhere. The cat just rode that taco straight out the front door like it was the most normal Tuesday ever.